guys, I'm Aurora and today I'm going to show you how to make these cards. Remember that in every video I tell you that you have a link in the comment box below to print and fold and make your own cards to practice. And today I'm going to show you how. So I already made 2 of them. So these, okay? And I'm gonna do this one that I already cut out. I'm gonna show you how to cut it out. So let me show with Kane. And you have to cut it this line out and this and that. Make sure you don't cut this line out, okay? Then you fold this in half on the line and with some glue you attach it together, okay? So this is your card and it's really simple, and you can personalize it with glitters or glitter glue and color it maybe. And I hope that the video of today, you like the video of today, and put a thumbs up if you like the video, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!